for Dale over here on 3. 1, 2, 3. Do it for Dale! Woo!
You're watching the Racers and Rods YouTube channel.
Let's go, baby!
Is there anything tonight he's not going to drive?
No, he brings out the entire suite.
Power slide.
As he comes through that first part, through the big angle there. Oh, and we had an explosion! Something popped and blew off the car.
Aren't you supposed to back off when you blow a tire?
No, not at the Freedom Factory.
Oh, hell yeah, brother.
I think... Is that tire?
Now that's a Polish victory lap.
He's coming for the inside with a crossing lap down at 360. At the Freedom Factory, make some noise for Cleetus and get it,
Hey, Spicy Spence, you don't have many mosquitoes around here with all this tire smoke, do you?
Absolutely not. No malaria, no mosquitoes, only bees and parrots here at the Freedom Factory, and a lot of tire smoke. Give it up for Cleetus!
Up next, right now. Tonight, the Knight family.
Blew a motor in practice and changed it. Come on out, Shane. Congratulations. Hey, what'd you guys think of these mini socks ripping here at the Freedom Factory? You guys think we should do it again?
If we come back, Cleetus, we want to. Spicy Spence down there in victory lane, but it's Shane Knight, the man of the hour, gets out of the car. He can hear you. How about a nice round?
Great job, Shane. That was phenomenal driving. You led several laps there. I see the adrenaline is through the roof. Congratulations on your trophy. Do you have any words for the fans? We have 20,000 people on YouTube watching right now.
Wow, what a race, man. Guys, I tell you, I can't thank my crew enough. We're on our third engine of the day. We're on our third engine. We changed it today and got it in right before qualifying. But we appreciate everybody coming out. I like that.
Cleetus off to an early lead. He's driving with one hand, doing an imaginary choo-choo train like he's honking an air horn. I'm not sure if that was contact or a backfire. One to go. Two to go. Soon to be one to go. Is he going to come in there? Here they are, ready to cross the line. bus races. First time here.